I want to start this morning by saying that we talk about business and leadership, and we can't talk about business and leadership without talking about money. And so often we have these emotions around money and what money represents in our life. I want you to know that this morning we're going to go on a little bit of a journey. We're going to talk about what financial leadership means. So I can't even talk about it until I define it for you. And you notice I didn't say money leadership, I said financial leadership, because that includes money, wealth, abundance, prosperity. But I want you to get clear on a very simple definition of financial leadership. To me, it's purely the be, do, have of money and wealth. I don't think I can say it any better than several people that spoke yesterday at our luncheon, our Winner's Circle doctors. We had Dr. Luke Stoudemire, we had Dr. Shailene Osborne, and Dr. Jim Kambites. And I could literally say ditto to just everything they talked about because they really brought out the B of money, the B of prosperity. So what I'm going to describe this morning is to really identify and talk about be, do, have of money. I have to almost say that it's like Business 101 meets the 28 Laws of Attraction. So we're going to have some fun. We're going to go on a little bit of a journey and talk a lot about these laws of attractability, but how it pertains to money. And several of you, you can see I just seeded out some books. Several years ago, I guess it's about 4.5 years ago, I co-authored a book up in Canada with a financial planner. And it was so interesting that she came to me as a patient. And she came in and she said, I don't quite know why I'm here, but I know that I'm just destined to be here. So I've got a few physical things going on, but I'm really here because I hear you're a coach. And that's when I coached and worked with a lot of business people and some financial people, some financial industries. I coached a bunch of CEOs up in Canada. It's almost like I hid from chiropractic. I was a chiropractor, but I hid my coaching from chiropractic. I wanted to coach business people. So through that grapevine, she came to me, and she'd also heard about the 28 laws. So we literally just took a coaching approach to money. So the book, it's called Inspired Wealth, but I've just seeded it out to several of you because this is what we're going to talk about this morning. There's 12 principles of financial leadership that I'm going to review with you.